Good morning, children. In this section, we will see some problems of sum of first n terms of an AP. And among the first question is, the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So, conditions are given in this question. We have to see what we are asked to find in the question. In the question we are asked to find the number of terms, which means the number of terms is denoted as n and the common difference is denoted as d. Which means that in this question we are asked to find n and d. To find n and d in this question, their conditions are given to us, and the first condition is the first term of an AP is 5. So, first term is denoted as A is equal to 5. And it is also given the last term is 45. So, last term of an AP usually we denote it as L is equal to 45. And also it is given the sum is 400. So, sum Sn is given to us, Sn is equal to 400. So, we have to find how many terms added, we get the sum as 400. That is, we are asked to find the number of terms. N. So, again Sn is given and A is given, L is given. We are going to use the formula for Sn to get the value N and also the common difference D. So, we will give the formula here. For that, we are using here, since the last term is given to us, Sn is also given to us, we are using the formula that is using the last term. That is, we have studied the formula using L as Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Here, we are taking this formula because when we take this formula, L is known to us, A is known to us, and the only unknown, and Sn is also known to us. The only unknown is n, which means you will get an equation in n so that we can solve and get the answer. But when we use the other formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d, both n and d is unknown there. So, you will get actually an equation containing two unknowns which will be difficult for you to solve. So, here if you take this formula, you are getting only one unknown here, that is n. So, first you can get n. After getting the number of terms, we can get the common difference. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus A. We are going to substitute here Sn as 400 and n by 2, and we are asked to find. So, we are keeping as n itself. A is 5 plus L last term, that is 45. So, we will get from here 400 is equal to n by 2 into 45 plus 5, you will get the answer as 50. Again 400 is equal to 50 divided by 2, just 25, you will get 25n. So, n is equal to 400 divided by 25, which is equal to, n is equal to 16. So, value of n is equal to 16, which means that 16 terms taken, you will get the sum as 400 in this AP. Now, we are asked to find the common difference. To find the common difference, you are using the idea of nth term. Here we got n as 16, which means that you can take this last term as 16th term, which means I can write A16. Only 16 terms are there in this AP. And also last term is 45, which means that the last term, since only 16 terms are here, last term can be represented as A16. So, 16th term or the last term will be equal to 45. Only 16 terms are here. So, the last term will be 16th term, which is represented as A16. So, you can take A16 is equal to 45. So, taking A16 is equal to 45, we are going to get this common difference. And here we are going to use the formula of nth term term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So using that a16 you can write it as a plus 16 minus 1 into d, that's equal to 45. So again we will give the value of a here. A is 5. So 5 plus 16 minus 1 is 15d, that's equal to 45. So we will get from here 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. So which means 15d is equal to 40 you will get. So we will get d is equal to 40 by 15, which is equal to 8 by 3. So common difference d is equal to 8 by 3. So we got here the number of terms of this AP is 16 and the common difference d we got it as 8 by 3. Next question. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So here you have to understand what all are given in the question, and taking what all are given in the question, you must understand to find the sum which formula we can use here. For that, when you get the question, write what all are given in the question. So we will get an idea to solve this question. So taking what all are given in the question, we will see what is given, in which d is equal to 7 is given. So write d is equal to 7. And 22nd term is 149. 22nd term in AP is denoted as A22. A22 is equal to 149. So it's clear, I think. D is given to us and also A22 is given as 149. We are asked to find the sum of first 22 terms. And to find the sum of first 22 terms, it is denoted as Sn. That is, Sn is equal to. Now we have to see which formula we can use. So Sn here, instead of Sn, we will take it as S22. So we have studied 3 formulas here. First formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And second formula is n by 2 into a plus an. Here we are asked to find S22. So to find S22, if A22 is given to us, you can use the formula n by 2 into a plus an. We are using so because S22, when it is Sn taken as Sn, it is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So if here we are asked to find S22, so it is S22 that is equal to, you can write as n by 2 into a plus A22. And we are taking this formula because A22 is given to us. And again, to use this formula, we need the first term a. But the first term is not given here. So first we have to find the first term a. To get the first term A22 and the common difference is given to us. So we are going to find this one, or we are going to find the first term from this A22 given using the nth term formula. That is, we have n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here also there is a. So when you take it as A22, you can write A22 is equal to a plus 22 minus 1 into d. That is equal to a plus 21d. Now we know A22, that is 149. A we have to find, then only we will be able to find S22. So a we have to find, write it as a plus 21 into d. D is equal to 7. So we will get it as 149 is equal to a plus 21 into 7, it is 147. So a is equal to, you will get it as 149 minus 147. So get from here A is equal to 2. So getting A as 2, now you can give the formula, and in this formula the only unknown one is A. You can get the value of sum of first 22 terms giving this formula. So we'll get S22 is equal to N is 22. So 22 by 2 into A we found from here using the 22nd term. So A is equal to 2. 2 plus A22 is 149. So we'll get 22 by 2 is 11 into 151. So 11 into 151, the product you are getting as 1661. So S22 is equal to 1661. So sum of first 22 terms of the AP is 1661. Next question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Here in this question we are asked to find the sum of first 51 terms. That means we have to find S51. And for that, the given conditions are whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So second term is represented as A2. A2 is equal to 14. Third term is represented as 18, which means A3 is equal to 18. So here second and third term are given to us. So it's easy for us to find the common difference from here because A2 and A3 given, nearest terms are given to us. You can find the common difference subtracting it. That is we have studied, that is D is equal to A3 minus A2. That is difference of the succeeding or consecutive terms. A3 minus A2, that's equal to, it is 18 minus 14, that's equal to 4. Which means you can get common difference from the terms itself. Common difference D is equal to 4. Again to find S51, what all we need in this question to get S51, to use the formula, we need, since nth term or last term nothing is given in the question, we need first term A, we need the common difference D, and N we know it is equal to 51. And to find or to get A and D, I think D we got here, and we have to get A. To get A, again we have to use this idea of A, or you have to use the formula of A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So A can take any one of the equation. One is enough for us since we got D here. A2 we know A2 is written as A2 is equal to A plus D. From here D is known to us, A2 is also known to us, it is 14. So D we found from here, we can give in this one to get A. So A is equal to 14 minus D. D we know it is 4. So A is equal to 14 minus 4, that's equal to 10. So we got A from here, it's equal to 10. Now we can give in the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2a. A we got as 10. 2 into 10 plus n minus 1, that is 51 minus 1 into d. So solving the equation, S51 is equal to, sum of first 51 terms is equal to 51 by 2 into, you can solve the bracket, that is 2 into 10, 20 plus 51 minus 1, that is 50, and D is equal to, we got D also, D is equal to 4, so you can give it here, D is equal to 4, so we'll get 50 into 4. So again solving 51 by 2 into you will get it as 20 plus 50 into 4, it is 200. And again 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. So we will get it as 51 into here. We can divide here, which will get it as 110. So we will get 51 into 110 is equal to 5610. So S51 is equal to 5610. Sum of first terms of an AP is equal to 51 terms of an AP is equal to 5610. Next question. In an AP given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210, find N and D. So when you get the question, you have to see which formula we can use here to make it easy or to get our answer easy. So for that, here AN is given, SN is also given. For that, to find N and D, I am going to use the formula SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. Using this formula because when you use the other formula, both A, D and N will be unknown to us, which means we will get an equation with two unknowns. When we use this formula, A is known to us, AN is also known to us, and the only unknown, SN is also known to us, and the only unknown will be N, so that we can get N from here and later we can get the value of D. So here we are going to substitute Sn, that's 210 is equal to N by 2 into A is 8 plus AN is 62. So we get 210 is equal to N by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70. Again we know 70 divided by 2 is 35. So 210 is equal to 35N. So we get N is equal to 210 by 35, which is equal to 6. So we get value of N is equal to 6. Now we are asked to find the common difference D. To get that common difference D, it's already given to us. N is 62. We got N as 6, which means we can take A6 is equal to 62. Taking A6 is equal to 62 and using the formula of nth term, we get A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 62. So again substituting here, A is equal to 8. So we get 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5D is equal to 62. So we get from here 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. So 62 minus 8, you will get as 5D is equal to 50. 54. So D is equal to 54 by 5. So common difference D is equal to 54 by 5. So we have done few questions on sum of first n terms of an AP, and rest of the questions of the textbook I have given in your worksheet. Do the questions. If you have any doubt, call me or you can clear in the doubt section.